Hi there, I'm Beth and this is Jared. In this video we are going to be opening two Carrera RC cars. We have Luigi and we also have Princess Peach. So first we're going to open them and then we're going to race them.
First let's open Luigi. He's driving his Mach 8 from Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. The Mach 8's a blue race car with yellow accents, and the wheels and exhaust tips are red, and the black tires have the words Mario Motors in white lettering. It's a very colorful combination with Luigi sporting his signature green Luigi outfit. It has a yellow spoiler with his symbol on it, which is a green L inside of a white circle, and this symbol is also displayed on the hood of the race car. Luigi is designed to be able to lean into the turns, so he's not totally fixed, but his body can pivot slightly to the left and right as he's sitting in his car. But he can't be removed from the car. To take him out of the box, we have to cut some tape and also twist some of these fasteners that are holding the car in place. Here's our remote, and then here's the background to the box. It has a burning mushroom on a fuel advertisement.
And there's Toad.
I'm going to remove the battery cover for the car, and you see the underside of the car is all yellow, and it has this front wheel alignment lever that you can set so that you can change the orientation to make it so that the middle steering position is the straight forward position. Either that or so you can set the car up to just automatically drive in circles if you wanted to do that. Now to add batteries to the remote, I just take off the cover with a Phillips screwdriver like this and insert the batteries that were included with the car. Put the cover back on and screw it in. Now to charge the battery. The car comes with a USB charging cable that will plug into the battery, and I'm going to plug it into this USB charging hub that I have. When it's fully charged, a green light will turn on in the charging cable. Now when we're done racing, we're going to need to charge the batteries before storing, since the batteries should always be stored in a fully charged state. No green light is on yet, but now we see here that the green light is on, indicating that it is now fully charged. So it didn't take very long at all for it to be fully charged. So the battery must have come mostly charged. So here's Luigi, and you see he isn't rigid. He can move around a little bit so that he can lean into the turns. Now we're going to select our racers, Luigi and Peach, for this epic race where neither one of us have any experience operating remote control cars. So it should be interesting.
Now let's start opening Peach. Peach is on her Standard ATV from Mario Kart 8 with all black monster wheels. The rims and underside of the ATV are gray. The upper side of the ATV is pink with black and white accents. The exhaust tips and a couple cover panels are yellow. The ATV has her emblem, a crown inside a circle, front and center. She's sporting a white jumpsuit with a pink vertical line going down each side of the suit. She has a pink scarf and also pink boots and gloves. She has a cute pink heart on her back. Her earrings are round blue gemstones, and she is wearing her signature crown and blue gemstone on the front of her outfit. Unlike Luigi, Peach cannot lean right or left. She is in a very fixed place. Peach also has a wheel alignment adjustment lever here.
Now let's unscrew the cover to the battery compartment behind her seat so that we can install the battery. The green lights are both on the charging cable, so the batteries are both charged. So let's put them in the car. There's a little lever on the plug that you have to press to release the plug and unplug it. Now we have to plug the battery into the car plug. Put the battery into the battery compartment and strategically tuck the wires in so that we can fit the battery cover back on. So let's put the battery cover back on and screw it down. Now to install Peach's battery. Peach's battery was more difficult to tuck the wires and the tag in and to get the cover to fit back on, but with a little persistence I still got it. Now let's screw the battery cover in place and we are ready to turn them on. Here's Luigi's on-off switch. I switched it on and now the light's blinking to indicate that it's on, but it hasn't yet been paired with the remote. After turning the remote on, we see that both lights go solid. Same thing with Peach. We'll turn Peach's car on. After both the car and the remote are on, we get solid lights on the remote and the car indicating that they are paired properly. Now let's race.
I guess that's an extra obstacle. Hold on.
Oh,
what lap are you on? I think
third lap.
You're on the third lap already? Yeah. Sheesh, I'm only on the second. Oh my goodness. I can't even get out of this. What am I doing? Ow.
I win.
Oh no. You won? Rematch. Get out of my way! Ah, no! What do I do? Hold on.
Wait.
Wait, I can't, I need to get her down. Hold on. No, hold on. I'm doing good. Oh no. I missed it. Get out of my way, bots. 3! Yeah!
Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. It would help us out a lot. And for more content like this, we've got some videos on the screen for you to click on. And subscribe to our channel too. That would also help us out. Let us know what you think about this in the comments down below. Thanks so much for all your support. We appreciate it, and we'll see you in our next video.
Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye.